First one is the topic wise test. Second one is what? Subject wise test. And third one is what? Subject wise. And this one is the mixed text. And last one is what? That is your mock test. The subjects you have completed, just take your notes and give a proper revision to the revision, and then after the subject wise test, after completion of this thing. Hello everyone, welcome to GATE. So you know that the GATE 2025 examination is very near. It's just only 1 month approximately, or you can say that 30 to 40 days remaining. Now it's very important to understand what should be your test series approach. That means how you have to attempt the test series, what kind of test is beneficial right now for you, and what kind of test is not absolutely beneficial for all of you who they are preparing for the GATE 2025. So today I'm going to discuss very deeply about the approaches that you have to take while attempting any test series for the GATE 2025. And if we are talking about the January month, then it is absolutely must be dedicated for the test series and revision only. Now there are multiple tests available in the test series. If I will say what will happen, there are major categories that has been provided to you, that are the topic wise test. First one is the topic wise test. Second one is what? Subject wise test. And third one is what? Subject wise. And this one is the mixed text. And last one is what? That is your mock test. There are totally how many categories are there? This is the 1 number, this is the 2 number, this is the 3 number, and this is the 4th number. Now you have only 30 days. You have to, some of you are still working on your syllabus. Some of you have left 1 subject or 2 subject. So what I'm just trying to explain here, that whatever you have completed, my strong suggestion to all of you that you need to focus on those subjects at least at your top priority. Let's say if you have total 10 subjects in any branch, if you have only 10 subjects, like if you are belongs to electronics department, then it will be 10 subjects. If you are belonging from the EE department, it may be approximately 12 to 13 subjects. If you are belonging from the mechanical or civil engineering, then there will be some other categories will be there. What I am trying to say, if this is the month of the December and it is absolutely ending of the 2024, then I would suggest you, out of the total subjects, if you have completed approximately 70% or 80% of the syllabus, 70% to 80% of the syllabus, then it is highly recommended that now your maximum time must be devoted for the revision purpose and for the test series. Now coming to the test series, what is the test series? There are topic wise, subject wise. This is not the right time to attempt the topic wise test. If anybody didn't attempt any topic wise test till now, then my strong suggestion is that right now the topic wise test is not beneficial for all of you. So if you have not attempted the topic wise test, then you can discard this one. You need not to attempt right now the topic wise test of your test series. This is highly recommended. What are the important tests that you have to attempt? That is your subject wise test, the mixed test, and the most important is that is the mock test. Most important test is what? That is your mock test. So what I will say, let's say you have completed 7 to 8 subjects. I am assuming if somebody has completed all the subjects, then it's absolutely great. But if you have completed 7 to 8 subjects, or you have completed the whole syllabus, then my recommendation is that in December month or January first week till Jan first week. First week means what? This is 26th of December till what? 7th of Jan. 7th of Jan. You need to focus on 2 things. First one is what? Whatever the subjects you have completed, just take your notes and give a proper revision to the notes. Complete notes, not the short notes. Complete notes, make a schedule for the 14 days, 7 plus 4, approximately 10 days are there. So give at least 1 day time for each subject and give its revision from the notes. And when you have completed the revision of the one subject, then attempt the one subject wide test, at least one subject wide test. In the similar fashion, if you are completing the second subject on the second day and third subject on the third day, fourth subject on the fourth day, then approximately every day you need to handle one subject wide test after completion, the revision of that particular subject. In this way, what will happen? You have all the collection of all the concepts of the subjects, and you have tested one time from the subject wide test, and that is very, very important. If you have figured out that there are some topics that I am not very comfortable, then refer to the lectures also, repeat that topic from the lectures also, that is also beneficial. But do not attempt the mock test directly if you have not completed this particular procedure. That is, the first we will revise the subject, then after we will attempt at least one subject wide test, and then only we can think about, after completing till 7th of Jan, I will complete all my revision of the 8 subjects or complete syllabus, whatever you have completed. Then only you need to handle the mock test. Don't try to handle the mock test directly without completing these 2 steps. Now, what will happen if you will not follow this particular 2 steps? Then what will happen? It will happen that you have revised your syllabus from the notes and you have not still attempted any subject wide test, any topic wise test. Then what will happen in the mock test? What will happen? You will feel very badly. You are going to lose marks. You can be at that particular situation that if you are attempting the mock test, because it will create a pressure in your mind, because there will be multiple subjects, there will be all the syllabus are there in the mock test. Then if you couldn't attempt any questions from any subjects, then what will happen? It will deep dive to you into depression, into anxiety. So do not try such things without attempting these 2 steps what I have told just before. That first do the revision, and then after the subject wide test. After completion of this thing, you can take up to 10th of January also. There is no problem in that. You can go with the 10th of January, and in 10th of January, 26th to 10th of January, make a revision of all the subjects. Then after attempt to subject wide test, at least one subject wise test for the each subject. And then only after 10th of Jan, you can plan for the mock test. Then only mock test will be beneficial. So what I have told right now, for those students who have not attempted or revised his syllabus or her syllabus and did not attempted any subject wide test and directly jumping into the mock test, for those one, this is the highly recommended suggestions that I have made just before. But if somebody has already completed 1 time or 2 time revision of the whole syllabus, and then after they have also attempted the subject wide test also completed, topic wise test also completed, then my recommendation is that at least give 7 days time to attempt the mixed test. Mixed test means the merger of the subjects. It will comprise of approximately 3 to 4 subjects. Maybe some mixed test will have approximately 5 to 7 subjects also. Then you need to understand, you just take glimpse of those particular mixed test, and after completing in 1 week the mixed test, then you can go also with the mock test. But for anyone, I would never suggest that directly jump into the mock test, because mock tests are very, very important. You have to attempt approximately 10 mock tests. You target 10 mock tests or 5 mock tests, 5 to 10 in between. That is the sufficient to handle the GATE 2025 examination. But what is the most important? Mock test or subject wide test or topic wise test or mixed test, this is not at the top priority importance. The top priority importance that whatever you have completed, 7 subjects, 8 subjects, 9 subjects, or complete syllabus, have you revised those syllabus approximately 1 time or 2 time? Or it is more suggested if you can revise those particular subjects approximately 3 times. First question, you have to ask yourself this particular question: And then after, the second question must be there. Second question must be there. I have completed my PYQs or not? If you have not completed the PYQs for all the subjects, what you have completed, then also that is more prioritized than this particular test, subject wise, topic wise, and mixed test. Na? So according to the priority level, according to your preparation plan and execution, you need to understand what is more important for you. Direct jumping into the test series is not the solution that you are going to get the better score in the GATE 2025 examination. So the first priority is revision of the notes. The second priority is the PYQ. Have you completed or not for all the subjects? PYQ means GATE previous year questions. At least 10 or 15 years must be done. Na? And then after subject wise test, then after mixed test, and then after the mock test. Na? Don't miss any step in between, because you have 30 days or 40 days remaining. So need not to panic. In panic situation, what will do the students? They directly jump into the mock test and they didn't get the marks in that particular test, and they just feel that my preparation is not well, I'm not doing well, everybody is doing well, I'm not doing well. So this kind of thought can be avoided if you go in the step by step process. So this is my highly recommendation. I have explained each and everything. What should be your approach to handle the test series? This is the only way of approaching the test series. Na? There is no other way to attempt the test series. Na? This time you need to understand what is your priority and what you have to do at the utmost priority. That is very, very important. Na? For all the students who have completed the syllabus, who have completed the subject-wide test, who have completed the mixed test, and they are planning about, they have also completed the revision 1 time or 2 times, then I would suggest you need to understand the environment of the GATE 2025 examination. In that case, what you can do, how you can get that particular environment, that you have to check yourself before entering into the real examination. You can also check yourself that what kind of environment I'm going to face in that particular examination hall. What should be the procedure, how the paper will look like, what should be the time constraint, how the invigilator will behave with you. Everything you can understand with the help of we are conducting a real test program. This is the real test, offline test. Experience the real fact exam environment. Real GATE examination, if you want to understand what exactly is going to happen for all the GATE aspirant, civil, mechanical, computer science, EE, EC and DA branch. This is absolutely going to happen on the 12th Jan 2025. This is the real test and this is a offline test. That means across India, approximately 20 or 25 centers will be there. You will get all the information. Just what you can do, you can enroll in this one. This is 31st December 2024 is the last date for the enrollment, and this is the end date. You can also participate in this particular test, and definitely you will feel the environment, and that is going to be the very beneficial. All those students who have covered the syllabus, who are seeking to understand what exactly is going to happen in the real examination, then this will be the best possible option. Is it okay? So how you will register, what are the extra information you want to know, then scan this particular QR code. You will get the enrollment site also, and all the information related to this particular examination is going to happen there. Okay, so I would suggest don't panic too much, don't overthink. Just focus what you have completed. Right now, it's not important how much syllabus you have completed. It is more important that whatever the syllabus you have completed, your recalling power, how it is working, your concepts, how it is working in the test series. Are you able to recall all the concepts of the subjects what you have studied, given approximately 100 hours, 150 hours and 1000 hours approximately to complete the syllabus? So that is more important. So your must be most of the time must focus on those particular areas what you have already completed, that is in your hand. And what you have not even studied till now, don't think too much about that thing. You can figure out, if you can spare time 2 hours or 3 hours a day, then you can complete those things also. But right now, the portion what you have already completed, that is more beneficial. This is my highly recommendation about all the GATE aspirants who they are going to appear in the GATE 2025, and wish you very luck for this particular real test also. and for the examination GATE 2025 also. So in this video, watch it again and again and try to execute. This is going to change the thinking of the attempting the test series. Do not jump into the mock test directly without skipping any step, whatever I have told in this particular video. Thank you so much. We will meet again and we'll discuss about much more topics related with the GATE 2025 examination. And if you have any suggestion and if you want to do some kind of video, then you can comment also. We will definitely provide that kind of guidance also in this particular channel, GATE Wala English channel. Thank you so much.